Dieting and weight loss drugs. There are many pills, potions, lotions, powders, and creams that promise to melt off the pounds you've put on while you sleep. The sad truth is that only one pill sold over the counter at this point in time has the FDA back up its claims of aiding in weight loss. This drug would be the over-the-counter form of the drug that has been prescribed as Xenical. In the over-the-counter form it is known as Alli. Alli, along with diet and exercise, is known to boost the weight loss process to provide more immediate and long-lasting results. With any medication such as this, there are those that will tout its effectiveness as well as those that will shout out the dangers of this chemical we are potentially introducing to our bodies. The one thing that is important to remember is that Alli holds no claims to work without consistent weight loss and fitness efforts on your part. This product is meant to supplement your own efforts, not to work as a substitute for your own efforts. It should be mentioned that there are consequences that occur as the result of taking Alli and not following up with a diet that is low in fat. Among the side effects that can result are flatulence, loose stools, and bowel incontinence. This is not a drug for the faint of heart, nor is it a medication for those that are not completely dedicated to the cause of losing weight and dieting. While Alli is not the overall solution that so many are hoping for, it can lead to more substantial effects for your efforts, and that is nothing to overlook when it comes to importance. According to the website for Alli, you have as much as 50% greater weight loss potential when you combine Alli with diet and exercise than dieting and exercise alone would bring. This is a huge breakthrough for the weight loss community and diet industry at large. While this isn't the magic pill that will melt off the pounds as you sleep, it is a pill that is documented to get results, and some of these results are quite impressive for those who stick to the plan. If you have been struggling with dieting, diet plans, weight loss, and incorporating a bold and beneficial fitness routine into your life, there is no time like the present to check out Alli and see what outstanding results this product can introduce into your fitness plan.